Di pijama ka nako e. Hlobolang di pijama. You can only say something about my shoes if you want to get slapped. Oh wait guys, I forgot to show you something. Let's go pay motoho mara. Namboke star. I always wanted to ask Rina, Lena Lidi Crashi na. We are eating motoho. Next up press a record. Damn. Unboxing Kamascopas. I take a lot. One thing in a box. Cover for my iPhone. Oh, it's a screen protector. A cover for this phone. And a durag. The accessory for my Stanley. A screen protector again. Oh my god. Oh, it's a plastic. I was thinking maybe in a limit. Let's. It smells nice. So the last one, the one I ordered had like weather thing. So before we unwrap this one, I just wanna.
Obinala Mazulu, bana ba manchaka Zulu. Obinala Mazulu, bana ba manchaka Zulu. Onzo tonwela enes.
Making chicken stew here. More potatoes, or are they enough?
If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody's no sympathy. I take a
This is how my chicken stew came out. When this whole thing out, like I can cook, I can bake, I can do whatever in the kitchen. It makes me think about pursuing hospitality, but books, man, books. But anyways, happy Mother's Day, Bafaz.